So you guys have asked for it, now we finally can deliver on it. We have our new 1.5" pipe camera from Leaktronics. It's our HHVP 1.5 inch. This thing can get through 1.25 inches, 1.5 mostly. That's most size diameter for swimming pools. It has a dye injection capability, it has video, it has recording, it has everything out of our other camera, only now we can navigate those tight turns. Because of the small head, we're able to navigate through solid pressure 90s and suction 45s, no problem whatsoever. We have a meter counter on here. Because there is no sun, we're able to see our distance from the camera. We're able to see with real high resolution. We get real great visibility. We're also able to dim and light up our camera to avoid any shading or brightness that we have inside the pipe. Check out our user manual to see absolutely all the features on this camera. So those are some examples of how we use this pipe camera. Again, we're able to get through some really tight spots, some of the tightest in the industry. For more information, visit our website or check out our YouTube channel.